Discover 10 top Vaseline hacks for beauty and beyond. Vaseline excels beyond moisturizing, aiding chapped lips, unruly brows, and makeup removal. Explore 10 clever hacks simplifying routines with this affordable product's surprising beauty and everyday potential. Vaseline prolongs perfume wear by preventing evaporation, using its oily texture to keep scents lasting all day. Vaseline tames flyaways, providing a polished look without greasiness. Vaseline effectively removes stubborn eye makeup, waterproof mascara, and lipstick without irritating sensitive skin or causing dryness. Vaseline defines and shapes unruly brows, keeping them sleek all day by coating hairs, eliminating the need for extra products. Vaseline reduces chafing by creating a protective layer, minimizing irritation from skin or clothing friction. Mix Vaseline with sugar for a DIY lip scrub to exfoliate, soften, and hydrate dry, flaky lips all day. Apply Vaseline around your hairline and ears before coloring to prevent staining, acting as a barrier against hair dye for mess-free at-home hair coloring. Vaseline nourishes dry cuticles, preventing roughness and soreness. Use Vaseline as a highlighter for a smooth, dewy finish that provides a healthy shine, substituting traditional highlighter products effectively. Vaseline combats wrinkles and dark spots by hydrating skin, diminishing fine lines, and fading pigmentation.